Compound interest is one of the most powerful ideas in money. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Yet most people do not fully understand how it works. In this video, I will explain compound interest in simple terms. No jargon, no confusion, just clarity. Let us start with the basics. Compound interest means earning interest on your original money, and also earning interest on the interest you already earned. That is the key difference. Your money grows on top of itself again and again. Now compare this with simple interest. Simple interest only pays you on the original amount. If you invest $1,000, you earn interest only on that $1,000. The growth stays flat and slow. With compound interest, growth is different. Your money does not grow in a straight line. It grows like a curve. Slow at first, then faster, then much faster over time. Time is the secret ingredient. Let us use a simple example. You invest $1,000 at 10% per year. After 1 year, you earn $100. Now you have $1,100. So far, nothing special. In the second year, you earn 10% again. But now it is 10% on $1,100. That gives you $110. Your total becomes $1,210. You earned interest on interest. This keeps repeating every year. Each year, the base amount increases. That means the interest earned also increases. You did not add more money. Time did the work for you. This is why compound interest rewards patience. In the early years, growth feels slow. Many people quit too early. But later, the growth accelerates dramatically. That is where the real power shows up. Now, let us talk about compounding frequency. Interest can compound yearly, monthly, or daily. The more frequently it compounds, the faster your money grows. Even small differences matter over long periods. For example, monthly compounding earns more than yearly compounding. Daily compounding earns slightly more than monthly. The difference may seem tiny at first, but over 20 or 30 years, it can mean thousands of extra dollars. Time matters more than the interest rate. Starting early beats starting late, even with higher returns. Someone who invests early with average returns often ends up with more money than someone who starts late with high returns. Let us look at a real-life comparison. Person A starts investing at age 25. Person B starts at age 35. Both invest the same amount monthly. Person A ends up far ahead. Why does that happen? Because compound interest needs time to multiply. Those extra 10 years make a massive difference. Money invested early works longer. Late money has less time to grow. Compound interest applies to more than investments. It applies to savings accounts. It applies to retirement funds. It also applies to debt, and that is where it becomes dangerous. Credit cards also use compound interest, but in reverse, against you. If you carry a balance, interest keeps stacking on interest. Debt grows silently and aggressively. This is why high-interest debt is so risky. You are fighting compound interest instead of using it. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes. That is why paying off debt early matters. Time can hurt or help. So, how do you use compound interest wisely? Start as early as possible. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Reinvest your earnings instead of spending them. Let time do the heavy lifting. You do not need to be rich to benefit. You need discipline and patience. Small monthly investments compound beautifully over decades. The key is consistency, not perfection. Missing 1 month does not break the system. A common mistake is trying to get rich quickly. People chase risky returns. They ignore time and consistency. Compound interest rewards calm behavior, not emotional decisions. Think of compound interest like planting a tree. In the first few years, it looks unimpressive. But if you keep watering it, one day it becomes massive. You cannot rush growth. The earlier you plant the tree, the bigger it grows. Waiting feels safe, but costs you growth. Every year you delay, you give up future compounding. That lost time never comes back. Compound interest is not magic. It's math plus time plus discipline. Anyone can use it, but very few stay patient long enough. Those who do win quietly. If you remember one thing, remember this. Time is more powerful than money. Money comes and goes. Time only moves forward. Use it wisely. Compound interest can build wealth or destroy it through debt. The choice is entirely yours. Start early. Stay consistent. Let compounding work for you, not against you.